Ahead on Daytime Buffalo, Buddy Second Chance Rescue is here with a pup you can adopt. And we get a glimpse at the glitz of Vault at 2:37. It's all coming up right now on Daytime Buffalo. Good afternoon, hello, and welcome to Daytime Buffalo. I'm your host, Chelsea Lavelle. Well, joining me now is Julie Starr from Buddy Second Chance Rescue and Kimberly LaRussa from Sweet Buffalo. Thank you for coming in, ladies.
Hi, thanks for having us.
Tell us who you brought in today.
Today we have Phil and Adam, and they are from Buffalo Brick and Mortar, and they are our new best friends. We got an amazing email a month ago from Michelle, who also works with them, and she said they were interested in helping us, obviously, get dogs homes, but they wanted to help us fund a transport, which we know that in the rescue world is some of the most expensive things that we pay for fees-wise. We pay for, the transports and vetting, and she wanted to offer their services to help us cover an entire transport, which we have coming tomorrow.
Which is amazing.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to tell us a little bit about Buffalo Brick and Mortar and what you guys do?
We've been in real estate for 15 years, buying houses for the past 5. We help out homeowners in tight situations, whether it's default, probate, estates, foreclosure. We come in, no inspections, and buy houses cash.
Nice. Now, how did you guys discover Buddy Second Chance Rescue and know that you wanted to be involved?
My wonderful assistant, Michelle, actually adopted a dog from Buddy's quite a few years ago.
Okay,
So
nice.
10 years ago when we first started.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And she's been part of the family ever since.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what it's like. Okay, so you talked about it, Julie, but these transports you do, we know that you take buddies. Obviously, you take dogs locally from
Of
shelters,
course,
but
yeah.
also the big part of your mission is taking these dogs in from kill shelters from different parts of the country.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, Uncle Fester here, who was taking a nap this morning, he is actually from Laredo, Texas, and that is one of the shelters that we are partners with, that we've been with for a few years now. And he was actually on the list to be euthanized, and our amazing foster Tracy stepped up to save him, and now he gets to come here and find his forever home. But like you said, yes, we don't just help dogs from out of state. We've also switched gears and are now helping dogs here locally because we're seeing an issue here also in Western New York.
Tell us a little bit about Sleepy Uncle Fester.
So Uncle Fester is beautiful. He's about 4 months old.
Nice.
He's only about 20 pounds. He's got bright blue eyes. He gets along great with other dogs. He actually just attended our recent rescue calendar photo shoot, and he was in there with one of the police officers, and he did fantastic. He really is a chill dog.
Very.
I mean, he's got some puppy energy, but this is also how he is. He loves to snuggle, lay around, and he's beautiful.
Yeah. What sort of family would be the perfect fit for?
I mean, I think, honestly, any family would be great. He's working on his house training and crate training, obviously, because he's a puppy. And there's the video right there of him with the police officer.
Aww.
He really is a great dog. He's very calm. He wants to be just loved, and he's looking for a second chance at life. And, that's what we do here. We want to help these animals find, not only a family, but the correct family. So we always require meet and greets, with everybody on board and making sure that they're going to be in the appropriate type home for them.
Is getting involved with the community and different organizations a big part of Buffalo Brick and Mortar's mission?
Adam, you want to?
Yeah, so we do donate to a lot of different foundations and also youth sports programs, and we just like to stay involved as much as we can.
That's right. And you mentioned it, but you talked about giving Uncle Fester a second chance. And we always talk about with buddies that it's not just saving one dog, you save 2.
Yeah, especially when you're taking a dog from the shelter, whether it be the City of Buffalo Animal Shelter, whether it be Laredo, Texas, or Georgia. This dog, once you save this dog out of that kennel, that now only saves his life, but now you're saving the life of that dog that gets to take its place and now get more time to be saved also. So in essence, you're actually saving 2 lives.
Tell us more about this transport that's happening tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we have roughly 20 dogs coming from Georgia. They will be here about 5 o'clock. Watch our live stream. We live stream all our videos. Beautiful Kimberly LaRussa here from Sweet Buffalo will be here taking video, and she does an amazing TikTok to help us raise money also, which also helps funds, A lot of these dogs come in, we have to get health done, we have to get spayed and neutered. The transports cost us money. We pay, roughly almost $3,000 per transport, and a lot of times that's just to bring the dogs here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And like you said, you also take dogs with medical issues.
That's one of our biggest things is taking dogs with medical issues, because a lot of times those are the dogs that unfortunately don't get out of the shelter because, you know, they're not going to spend the money on a dog that might obviously not get adopted or get out. So our biggest thing is taking those dogs that need that help and where they're not going to get it anywhere else. So obviously funding is always huge because we need that money to pay for all that vetting.
Julie, Kimberly, you are kind of the media genius behind all of the videos we see of the dogs and of the transports. How have you seen it kind of take off and grow as you continue to post these videos?
Yeah, I think, a lot of people, when they see one of the videos for the first time, they're just so amazed. They're like, we don't understand. They euthanize puppies? And, they're learning for the first time. So that's so important for them to see firsthand the work that Buddy's Second Chance Rescue does to save these dogs. And I think that makes people step up and say, we want to help. And we encourage our local business owners, like these amazing ones, to help the dogs and to help the rescues. And we do our part to make sure that they feel appreciated, especially Julie. She's always, thanking anyone that helps Buddies. So, we encourage everyone to lend a hand.
That's right. And lend a check, if you will. Thank you guys so much for what you do and supporting Buddies and the great work you do. I know, Julie, you guys always have events. Do you have anything in the works coming up?
Yeah, we have events this weekend. I know that Sunday we'll be out at Hannah's Lemonade Stand. We've had Hannah's been on a few times with us and with Hope Rises, and we'll be there for her lemonade stand on Sunday.
Okay, beautiful.
Adoptable pups.
Well, thank you guys so much for coming in and supporting Buddies. Uncle Fester is looking for his forever home.
Wake up,
Someone
Fester.
that likes to nap. He's a great fit for. For more information on all of the adoptable pups at Buddies Second Chance and their upcoming adoption events, just head over to buddiesrescue.org. Thanks again, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.